Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, back again with me. My name is Faisal Abror Putra Hermawan, and in this video I will give you guys tutorial again about Mikrotik Router OS. And in this video I'm gonna tell you guys tutorial about user management. Simple user management in Mikrotik Router OS. Here, the device. This. Okay. First, let's open Winbox. Open Winbox. By default, from the factory, router how username to log in to the router is admin, and the password is there's no password or blank like this, and then you can click connect. Now if you connect, you can see in here sorry here you this is before add is a user that you use to log in to the Winbox. In here I using admin at username admin, and then for configuring or for managing the users, you can go to system, and then in the bottom there is users menu. Click it, and it will show window like this, window user list. In this menu is a place that we use to managing user. But in here I will give you guys a simple user management, because the basic is on the MTCNA, not in the MT-CUME. MTCNA is Mikrotik MTCNA Certified Network Associate, and for MT-CUME is Mikrotik Certified User Management Engineer, like that. So this like what I say before, the system default of user is admin and the group is full. Now in user management Mikrotik divided into 3 groups. First there is full, and then the second there is what the name, there is user right, and then there is read. That's the 3 type of user. And the default our username, our user login is using group full. What is the difference between this group? You can see in this in the top menu of user list, user group SSH keys, you can go to groups, click it, and then it will show like this. This is three of this is the default. You can see default of your user groups. There is full, read, and write. Full is user groups that have full poly size, or it can do all configuration in this Mikrotik, in this Winbox. And you can see it by double click it. Now it will show like this. You can see this is the poly size, and then this is the poly size, and then here checkbox, it means the poly size that given to the user, to the group full. As you can see, almost all of the checkbox here is checklist to group full, except dude. Later we learn it again. Will later in other video. Now here telnet, if the checkbox of telnet, it means user full can remote router board Mikrotik Router OS by using telnet. SSH checkbox, same like telnet, it means user full can remote or configuring router by using SSH, not using Winbox. Reboot, it means user group full can reboot the router. And then Winbox, it means uh, group full can configure or remoting the router board by using Winbox. Web, it means webfig. It means we can connect to the router by using web or webfig. Okay, after that we can see here, right? Nah, right is almost same like user full, but the difference is user right not have all polysize in the MikroTik. For example, this FTP and polysize checkbox is unchecklist in user right. And then uh, let's see the user read, group read. Wait, now as you can see here in the group type read, the polysize that given to group read is uh, almost all of it, but the difference is uh, the write polysize and FTP checkbox is unchecklist. Okay, so here we will try to make all of the user that using these three groups in user list. First, let's add full. The name is full. For make it easy, group we change to full, and then click apply. Okay. Now, user full that that using group full is already exists. And then let's make again for user right. Right. Then the group, let's change it to right. Click apply, and then okay. Now, user right is already configured in the user list of our MikroTik. Then let's add some more for user read, type read, group arrange it to read, and then click apply. Okay. Now here as you can see, group read is already exists. And then let's try. We see the difference between this among these three groups. For let's disconnect in the session, disconnect, and then the username login. Let's change it to full. Then click connect. Now here, as you can see in here, we connecting to the router by using let make it clear here. Ah, this lah. Yes, as you can see in here, we connect to the router by using user full, and then let's let's see the poly size. Let's prove it. Before, as I told to you, user type full can configure it almost all of configure it in this router. For example, let's go to IP address, IP, and then addresses. As you can see here, we can add some IP address. For example, here I will add maybe 10.10.10.1/24 in interface either one, and then click apply. Okay. Now, user full can add IP address, and it also can disable here. That's disable. Disable is mean deactivating the configure, and then enable is mean activating the configure. So here, and then we can also remove or delete the configuration in IP address. Now, it means userful have all policies have all rights to configure in IP address. But it's this only one proof. Let's try to for example, maybe IP root. What ya? Guess lah, IP root. IP root. Nah, here. In IP root or table routing, we also can add some uh, routing. For example, here for destination address is default or all network by using gateway 11.11.11.2. Then you can apply and then okay. Now here it means user type full can configure routing static in routing table in IP root, and it also can disable the routing or enable the routing, or it also can remove or deleting the routing. Now, as I told you before, root user type full can configure almost all of the of the wizards or tools in this router. And then let's try to move to user type right. Right. Then enter. As I said before, user with type right with the groups right is users that can what's see user that have almost all of the rights, all of the policies, but the difference is it cannot configure or adding new users. For example, here let's go to IP address again. Now, in this IP address, we can add uh, we can add new configuring of IP address. Let's try maybe 10 like before. 0.1/24 using either one, apply and then okay. Now here we can same like a user full, we can disable the configuration, enabling the configuration, and we also can removing or deleting the configuration. It seems like user type full, but the difference is in here. Wait, the difference is in here. Let's go to user list again. System, in the bottom there is users. Click it. Nah, user type right cannot it cannot add new users. Different with user type full. User type full can add uh new new users. Here, as you can see, we cannot click add, click remove here, for example. So we cannot disabling or enabling or removing the users. We also cannot to add new users to the MikroTik. Okay, that's the difference between user type right and user type full. Let's continue the type users type read. Disconnect again, and then this read, and then click enter. Nah, here user with type read is sorry user that using group type read. It's also usually called users monitor. Why? Because just like the name user read, it only can read configuration, or same like monitoring the configuration. If we monitoring the configuration, we only can see the configuration. So why we have to why there is group type like read? Because if there is for example, our friends want to see the configuration of our routers, we can give him users that using type group read, because we afraid that he will play with our configuration. So we can give users read like that. Because in user group read, it cannot do any configuration. For example, let's go to IP addresses. Here, as you can see, we cannot add new IP address. You cannot add new configuration for IP address. Here, I click it many times. It cannot open. And then here, let's click it. We cannot disabling the configuration of 192. We also cannot enabling the configuration of 192, and we cannot also to removing the configuration in user type read. That's it to the system with type system users. Now here, as you can see, we cannot we cannot add new configuration for user list. We cannot remove, enabling, or disabling any configuration in this router. Yes, because of it, the name of user read usually called by users monitor because it only can do monitoring. It cannot add some configuration. That's the rights of user type read. Let's For the conclusion is user type full have all the rights or have all the policies, so it can configuring all of the configuration in this router. It can adding new users to this MikroTik, and user type right. It can do almost it have almost all policies or all rights in this for this MikroTik. But the difference between group full and group right is group full have all rights, but so it can do what the name all configuration in this router. But user group right cannot do it can do all configuration in this MikroTik except adding new user list. And for the user type read, it only can doing monitoring the configuration. It cannot user type read cannot adding new configuration in all menu. Uh, uh, Even though is wireless, it cannot add. And then maybe routing here, BGP, it cannot add other. Maybe like that. Okay, that's the end of this video. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much for watching. Finally I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.